Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your PowerPoint presentation to Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Meet, and as you can see I have created a virtual meeting, and I'm going to share my PowerPoint presentation to this meeting. First thing first, you need to prepare your presentation. Here I have opened my PowerPoint presentation, and then I'm going to share this presentation to my Google Meet. I'm going to go back to my Google Meet, and then if we want to share our screen, we can click on this option, Present Now. Okay, and then here we can choose Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. And I'm going to select window, then I'm going to select my PowerPoint like this, and after that we're going to click on share. Okay, and hold on. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the presentation has been shared to this meeting. And if you want to stop sharing, you just need to click on stop sharing or stop presenting right here. It's up to you. I'm going to click on stop sharing. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to share PowerPoint presentation to Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!